Hey y'all, ready to get your griddle on? I sure am. So let's get started, shall we? I've got the griddle heated up to medium low. So let's start out with some yummy luncheon meat I found on clearance. Just slap that down there. I doubt my lovely assistant will eat any of this because she's picky. Me being a southern boy, this is just good everyday food. So we got that going. What else could we have for breakfast? Let's get, I haven't tried these, but now I am. Seasoned hash browns. Little hash brown patties. And package doesn't want to open. Excuse me while I fight with my food. Let's throw down a little ghee because it's ghee. And we'll do that. We'll flip over our yummy luncheon meat product. Who knows what's in it? That's what makes it exciting, right? Okay, got those going. What else should we add? Can't have breakfast without toast. So, a toast to our breakfast. Take out. This is one of my favorite breads, Nature's Own, perfectly crafted. Who is not a sponsor yet. You hear that, Nature's Own? I should be getting paid for this. So, we will throw down some more ghee because I just made it and I want to get my money's worth. Uh-oh. You know what? We're not using Nature's Own because it's been in the house too long. So, let me just toss that aside. I haven't made grilled cheese lately, and that's what happened. Okay. Flipping stuff over, rearranging a little, and tell you what, you guys hang tight, and I'll get some bread that's still good. Okay, welcome back. Don't you hate it when that happens? Hopefully nothing's burnt while we're playing around inside, except the ghee is doing a little heating up, but more ghee. Oh yeah, that's a good way to butter your bread, isn't it? Can't do that in the toaster. Okay, we got meat going. Cream it, look at that, it looks like breakfast sausage. Right. We got taters. Oh, look at that. Oh, man. Ooh. Look how perfectly toasted. So that's only going to take another second. Let's turn off. Actually, let's turn off everything. We're not done. We're just turning everything off. Back. Yeah, the bread is toasted. So that can come off. Ow, ow, ow. Hot, hot, hot. Since it's turned off, we got our handy egg rings that we bought from various locations. And we'll add some more ghee. I should have ghee the rings before I slapped them on there, but that's okay. Maybe. Maybe not. We'll see. And as always, I like to make a mess. I like brown eggs. That's just a personal thing. So, 1, 2, 3. I'm the count, and I love to count. Like I mentioned, this is turned off. Let me wipe the egg off my fingers real quick. I've got the famous Mark's seasoning, eggs, pepper, garlic, and some secret spices. And since it's eggs, let's add some chive. I've been using that a lot more than I expected to. Okay. I did break one yolk. And that's okay. Uh-oh. Okay, just broke another yolk. Playing around right there. But that's okay. And on mine, I'm adding some sriracha sauce. Just to make it interesting. So, let's get a couple plates together. She doesn't like soft boiled, so I'll give her soft or over easy. I like over easy. She's not going to eat the meat food product. I think that'll make a tasty sandwich. Or there may have been a reason it was marked down. But you never know. Don't try, don't know. Right. Stick a tater on there. That her should be done now. The yummy crusty stuff. And the last bit of taters, which hopefully are done. We'll find out. So, this is today's breakfast. Shall we take a closer look? I say we shall. My lovely assistants and mine. And that's a wrap, y'all. Have a great day, and thanks for watching. Bye.